How to use PayPal, how to send money to a vendor or a friend. Send money. Add a name, an email, or a mobile device number in this area here. It's going to ask you if this is a personal friend or a purchase. Here we know the person, so we're going to say personal. Next. Here we're going to enter the amount in which the transaction will take place. Press next. Here it says, how would you like to pay? It says the PayPal balance, no fee, or the number card is a fee. We're going to take no fee, that way nobody gets charged. Next. Confirm in seconds. It'll tell you how the transaction is going to take place. Personal, with the PayPal balance, there's zero fee. You pay this amount. The payment is going to be in seconds. Send now. The payment is done. Have a great day.